Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tyler and welcome back to another Call of Duty video. In today's video, I'm running around with the Sledgehammer and the MCPR on Search and Destroy. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It's completely free and is the best way to support my channel. Either way, back to the video. Hammer! Woo! Woohoo! Hammer!
Standing by. You've got the bomb.
Woo! Hammer! Hammer!
Because I'm playing this godforsaken game. It's kind of bad.
Hammer!
Round secure. On to the next.
Hammer!
Hey, Ty.
Hello.
There's a guy back there. He's behind the truck.
Oh, he's not. There he is. Hammer!
Are you a female?
Hammer!
Completely ransacked. Cancel that.
In a row, so I sat here for the rest of the game
Bravo.
trying to figure out the fucking cross map.
Right in place. Countdown started.
I think I actually made it into one of these knives only fucking like TikTok clips. I
Hammer!
was in the game.
He's behind the thing.
Hammer!
Talking about the real big fat one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a rhino.
Hammer! I think. Hammer! 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 Hammer!
We open mic in it.
Hammer!
Standing by.
That was a fucking RPG.
Hammer! Hammer!
I hit marker someone.
Hammer! Hammer!
We're planting at Alpha.
He peeked that corner that he threw that fucking thing. Oh shit. I was not ready. I was talking.
Hammer!
There's a guy in our spawn. By lookout tower with a hammer. He's a hammer, bro.
Hammer!
Shit.
Telling you, hammer's the move. Hammer!
Can't get it over out the window. Nope.
Hammer! Hammer!
God damn, bitch, you got a dump truck the size of my mama.
Hammer! Please, I will at 120. Hammer!
Setting device on Bravo. Device in place. Countdown started.
A bit. It's okay. No, you're good. I got Bob on me.
Huh?
Final minute.
I see you.
Cruise missiles ready for launch.
Shit. Oh, I threw that guy up.
No, no, hammer. Hammer.
I was trying to figure out that dude's name. Got it. Girl? You said girl. Good job, girl.
Standing by.
And it wouldn't let him.
Hammer. My hammer.
Oh my god. That's not where I thought that was going.
Woo.
Full
I'm
meal in
not
my
gonna lie to you,
stomach.
this shit slaps, but when I can't find nobody on
That's
this
the
damn map, it
zombies,
don't do shit.
Who? He said, "Watch out above you, bro! Jump down." Hammer.
Yeah, cause I should have experience with cross maps and hit markers.
I'm gonna hit this fucking bitch. Told you. Don't peek me.
Yeah. You're talking to my
You're a whore!
Only you remain.
Don't you now, Ted?
Finish the mission.
mommy.
I just got this hammer gold for multiplayer.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna put my damn hammer
You're
down.
hiding underneath the goddamn door! Why? You're a bitch! And you're not so
Else. Not with the hammer. Not hammer time.
It's fucking hammer time whenever I say it's
It's fucking Hammer Bros.
hammer.